Okay. This video probably doesn't need to go up. It's going to, because, you know, I want to express my feelings. Not really. I'm probably not even going to express, like, any opinions in this video. Because no matter what side you take or what, like, opinion you have of a certain person or a certain situation, both sides are going to come at you with fire and burn you in the So let's get right into it. So, I guess I'll just recap. I guess. Ignore the glasses glare. I can't really see without my glasses, so that's why I squint sometimes in my videos. I will start off by saying I am not a drama channel. I am not a drama commentator. I am not a drama enthusiast. Although I do watch Ashley Kyle and Rich Lux, and I love them so much. I love you guys. Ashley, hello. Mwah. Rich, I love you. Mwah. Keep doing what you guys do. You guys are f***ing amazing. But to recap what has happened over the past few days, actually just one day. Okay, so Jackie Aina released a tweet. If it's still up, I'll insert it. If it's not up, you won't see it. But basically, she released a tweet saying, why can't white people, like, or say excuse me, or why are white people afraid to say excuse me? And then she went on her little tangents, and that kicked off a whole conundrum. And then we have Jeffree Star replying to the tweets, and then we have people replying to the tweets, and some are saying, I'm white, I say excuse me, it's not all white people. And then it just keeps going on and on and on. And is there a point? Personally, tweet didn't bother me. People tweet worse stuff every single day. Like, I've seen tweets about people running over cats. I've seen tweets about shoving things up things. Like, it's Twitter. You probably have seen or read worse things. So I personally just scrolled up and went about my day. Like, that's what I do. It does, like, I don't care. She didn't say Zach doesn't say excuse me. I mean, it's stupid. But people get affected so easily. And I believe this is why the beauty community can't have nice things. It's like we have like a week of peace. You know, the aura is nice. There's butterflies and birds chirping. And then, bam! A new scandal or event or scenario jumps in and it starts all over again. It's a never-ending circle of stupid. Now, I'm not saying people's opinions are stupid. In this type of situation, everyone is entitled to their opinion. Everyone can feel a certain way and have an opinion about a situation because it's human emotion, it's human instincts. But the fact that we can go like a week or two of just like peaceful serenity and uploads on YouTube and Twitter and everything's fine, and then it seems like every other week or every other 2 weeks something has gone on, or someone said this, or someone tweeted this, or someone showed this, and it's just like, why do people care so much? I mean, yes, we as humans, we as people in general, especially with like celebrities and beauty gurus, we want to live that fantasy, not necessarily like live their life, but we, you know, we want to indulge in this fantasy, indulge in their lives, because it might be greater than ours, it might be better than ours, or our life is just boring, so we're like seeking the entertainment, and it's just natural. But does it have to keep going on? Like, can people just like keep their mouths shut? Because like, with the drama that's been going on, it's just very draining. And another one of the topics that went on was referring to Petty Page, whom I love, by the way. I just love her so much. Like, Ashley, Rich, Petty Page, Dustin Daly, and Margot, I live for them. I do. I want to live vicariously because they are they're investigative journalism at its finest. Like, they come in with facts and proof. Margot's John Kukian video, it's amazing. Literally the fire in my soul. I feel like people should project that interest from the drama of bigger beauty influencers, gurus, whatever you want to call them, and project that interest into the micro-influencer community, because while all this drama is going on and you're paying attention to that, you guys are missing, like, some great people, some great artists, because you guys are too wrapped up around a tweet, a Snapchat, a product review. Like, keep your opinions to yourself. It's fine if you do that. Write it in a journal, rip the page out, burn it. You said it, you projected it to the universe, and then you got done with it. Like, it's fine. But while the drama is great, it's fun, it keeps you interested, why don't you project that interest to someone who deserves it? Some of these upcoming micro-influencers who are trying their darndest just to get recognized, not only by brands and, you know, artists, but by other people. And while you are shining a light, this is a weird metaphor, while you're shining a light on the drama, it's just casting a shadow on them, and they're just sitting there. And they deserve so much more. There are amazing, smaller, upcoming micro-influencers, such as NeonMua. He just released, well, it's about to release, a product collab with a company, and it looks amazing, and I want it. Congratulations. There's the Bronze Marley, who is stunning. Like, he's gorgeous, and his blending is on point. There's Sierra Cone. She does all these extravagant looks, and she gets swept under the rug, and it's not fair. It's not right. She's amazing. She's a sweetheart. She's a mom. She's a hardworking woman, and she loves what she does. And people aren't seeing that because they're too wrapped up in the drama of someone's someone's life. And then there's artists like K-Swizz, whom we know I love and adore because we collabed and we talk, and I love her. And she's very vocal on showing love and support to other influencers. And there's so many smaller influencers who I just want to show all the love to. There's Ashley Summerell. She is great. She is gorgeous. Her looks are stunning. Her details are beautiful. There's Ashley Styles, who's also stunning, beautiful, detailed, and overall amazing. Her videos put my videos to shame. It's just, why don't we take the interest and put it to where it needs to be? That's all. It's simple. Just don't worry about the drama. And look at all these upcoming influencers who would love to meet you, who would love to interact with you. Anyway, this video took a turn. I'm sorry. It's just like, it's annoying. There are people who deserve the attention, and there are people who don't. That's it. I'm probably gonna get shit on in the comments, so that's fine. I'm probably going to... No, I was gonna say I'll probably, like, disable comments, but I'm an adult, and, still sticks and stones may break my bones, but words may never hurt me. And you can, if you don't like what I say, and you know, like, type in your comments, and you want to, like, threaten me, or, like, threaten my existence, been there, done that. Yeah. That's all. Bye!